The little babies, what are you guys doing? So we are 3 weeks old. Yeah, we're 3 weeks old. And we're sleepy. What are you doing? What are we doing, girls? And one little guy in the middle. One little guy. He's still looking for his home. We got Roxy's big girl. Oh my goodness. See, look how chunky I am, Mom. I'm such a fatty. But look at my cute little face. Yeah, got the cutest face, Mom. Hi, baby. Say hi to your mama. And then we got little teeny black guy looking for a home. I'm a cutie too. Yes, I am. And then we got this little girl here, still looking for her home, possibly. Say hi. Say hi. She's a long hair. She might just stay with us. Yes. But I'm thinking she's a silky wire, because look at all this coat. Look at all that coat we got. Say, we'll see, huh? Oh, did you get a yawn? You get a yawn, little one. And she has just this little bit of chocolate on her bum. And all the rest white. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, what are you doing? Look at her back leg. Look at her back leg going. Is he kicking? Oh. What are you doing, babies? Huh? What are you doing? Hi. Say bye-bye. We see you later.